Hello, Nokia. Hello, Nokia. Welcome to Nokia. I'm Michael. Ross.
I'm Lucy.
And we are not.
You guys are rubbish.
We're Team One. Hello, Nokia. Welcome to Nokia's home of Nokia. I'm Michael. Ross.
I'm Lucy.
We're Team One. How was getting right for you, Ross?
Game raid was an experience. I met a 10-foot tall trans. She wasn't quite 10 foot, was she?
I think she was sort of 6'7" and she had some good, nice appeal.
Yeah, she was absolutely massive. It was a good day overall. I think we did pretty well for a first day. Nice weather. One night day. We'll look kind of sky let's see and show everyone how crap it is today.
It's pretty crap.
So just pissing down with the rain.
Yes.
Hello? No, I'm in Nottingham! I'm trying to connect people! But it's raining! On to the Mela Festival. The Mela Festival is a sort of celebration of sort of ethnic culture, and it's hosted in Market Square with acts, break dancers, beatboxers, the lot. Again, a massively sunny day, so very busy. Like, we all hit our targets, exceeded our targets. Well, apart from a small hiccup that one. Got to encounter our team leader for the first time. Great experience. I, in fact, we're meeting with one, and he rolled at the park. Yeah.
After asking us, what was it? What we were going to get to Nottingham?
Yeah.
Some kind of massive.
He wanted a massive landmark. He wanted us to be standing under Robin Hood, I think.
Yeah, overseeing the castle or something.
That said, we eventually did meet him, and he was a very nice town.
Hi, Will.
Yeah.
Hi.
Would you say that the biggest factor in getting connections is the weather then?
It plays a large part.
Yes. There are lots of contributing factors, but that's certainly one of the higher priorities.
High, so your high priority is the weather. How do you change that, Michael?
Well, I believe, send things up into the sky to its first rate. I believe they're doing that at the Beijing Olympics, but I don't think Nokia can afford that into their expenses at the moment. The purse strings are pretty tight.
Are you trying to say that the Chinese government earns more than Nokia?
I'm pretty sure they do. They probably have actually. Not for long. Yeah, not for long. Not to take over the world. Yeah. On a street corner near
And we are the implement of this
yeah,
takeover.
we are the tool.
Of global domination. Lucy's legs. Okay guys, just before it rains again, sign off.
Bye.
Bye. We'll see you next month.
So yeah, see you next month for an even
later.
fuller reports.
Bye.
Can't put that in, that's so bad English. Can't put that in. No.
Keep waving.
That's enough waving.
Keep waving. Keep waving. No, it's not. No, not yet.
And
Sammy, put off!
What?